Here's where we seen the beaver. Over here. Watch out. Oh yeah. Watch out for dog shit. Yo, say dog shit. But the beavers are here. Oh boy. Nope. Gotta find the beaver trail. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here comes the beaver trail. Oh, beaver trail right there. Here it is. Beaver trail. Okay, watch. Go get him. Oh yeah. There it is. Look at that tree. Beaver ate it. I should climb down there. That's the beaver trail right there too. Like I said. Got that tree. The wind got him today. Alright, let's see what else you got here. Beaver! Yeah. This ain't two-legged beaver, boys and girls. Look at this one. Yeah, that one cracked. That one cracked. This one here is eating. The sun's kind of messing me. Oh, look at this baby. Oh boy, just go across here. There's the water too. I'll try and keep that. Here's one he's eating. That's a biggie. Oh no, he's going all the way. All the way across. I'm going. We're gonna go film this one. Oh yeah. This is the Peace River, Woonsocket, and I'm beaver hunting. Oh boy. Well, I'm not going down there. Look at this one. There's one there. Keep going. Another one. All the way down the river. I've been drinking too, so I could fall down this hill. I'm gonna walk around this way. Whoa! Slip there, some dog shit. Okay, here we go. On the beaver hunt. Oh, there's a nice aisle I can get down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, this beaver's going to town here. Look at this. You eat that little tree. Try and get down. You eat that. See that one right there? Those are the other two. He's been gnawing on. We're just gonna gaze the. Oh, the sun hit me. Going down, going down. Uh-oh, look at the size of that tree. We just started on that one. That one's gonna go across and hit those. I don't know if you can see them. Condominiums. Condominiums are up there. Maybe a 50-foot span. Could be a little longer. Well, that's the Mill Street Bridge. If you can see that. Oh yeah, there's another tree north. Alright, I'm gonna walk around down farther towards the bridge. Here we go on a beaver hunt. Oh, there's a beaver hole. Oh, you want a hole? Oh boy. Here's more dog shit. Gotta watch out around here. A mess too. Look at this is behind the bakery. They throw all this shit, garbage, dump trucks dump here, metal couches. But I'm gonna walk under there. They knock down trees to make it a little tough on you. This is hunting in Woonsocket. Beaver. Beaver time. Oh, here we go. This is the big tree right there, boy. Oh my God. Just one's down. That's a pretty big tree down on across the river. There's the bridge right there. That's a big tree too. That one goes. He's halfway eating through that. I'm gonna go down. I'm going down. This one we gotta see up close. Boys and girls. Wow. Wow. Look at it. Oh my God. He is eating through this tree. And there's the bridge. So let's see if we can go towards. I don't know if you can see them. Condominiums right up there. It might just reach that wall anyway. Man, we already ate that tree. Sun's might be messing with me here. I'm just trying. Man, all the way down the river. Beaver, beaver, and more beaver. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for me. Talk to you later.